minorities have increased as the atmosphere.
2-3 minutes only.
Pardon, sir?
Only 2-3 minutes.
5 minutes कर दीजिए sir. The sense of security among minorities, sir, has increased as the atmosphere of oppression and suppression by a vindictive official machinery headed by a communally biased government has removed to a large extent. Sir, because the shortage of time, one important point I'd like to bring to the notice of the government through you is that in yesterday in Rajasthan, still Bajrang Dal activists are distributing tribunes. I would like to know, though it is a state subject, but if these fascist and communal forces are not stopped, and Rajasthan, as far as I know, is becoming another laboratory for the fascist forces like Gujarat, to a certain extent, how
Intervene. No. No.
Be exposed, sir.
I will see.
This is a member's opinion. Sir, one honorable member speaking from the other side. He even
So we have never interfered when they were
This is not
speaking.
unparliamentary language. No, this is not.
that harsh words against
No,
him.
this is not.
That
This is
also should
not-
not also be exposed.
This is not unparliamentary language.
My request to the Honorable Home Minister is that if these such forces, they need to be stopped. It is the need of the hour. And it is a known fact that these communal and fascist forces are imparting training. If tomorrow some Muslims, emotional Muslims, start distributing swords, how would you react to it? You will immediately say that they are ISI people. You will immediately say they are hell-bent on destroying the communal amity. And moreover, sir, there is a need to discuss how is it that the RSS is imparting physical training, though it is running for a long time. And I am surprised that strange alibis are given. If RSS Shakas imparting training are in the interest of nation and the country, then I will give a serious proposal. Then let all these Shakas be established by Government of India. And all the youths under 25 should be made compulsory that they should go to these Shakas. Military training should be made compulsory so that this fear among a particular minority that this training is being imparted only to hurt them. It has been proven in Gujarat. That is dispelled. Secondly, sir, about madrasas. For 6 years the NDA government was in power. How many madrasas have been closed? You name me one madrasa which is imparting anti-Indian training over there. In fact, these madrasas are doing a good job by making these poor people literate, though in Urdu. They are imparting education. In your 6 years of governance, how many madrasas have been closed? And moreover, history tells us that freedom struggle, jihad, fatwa was issued by these madrasas. I would like to bring notice of the honorable friend, though I cannot enlighten them, but I can only tell. Who was Allama Fazl Khairabadi? These same madrasas had issued a fatwa of jihad against the Britishers. Who was Ashfaqullah Khan Shaheed? When his last wish was asked, he said, bring soil from my village and put it in my grave. This blatantly generalizing the whole Muslim community that we are anti-nation. I will request, sir, that this Muslim bashing should stop. Muslim is not a living boy. We cannot become cannon for your fodder. And it is the biggest conspiracy of these fascist and communal forces to create a fear of minority among, sir, please, sir, to create a fear of minority among the majority community. Not a single Muslim, in fact, the Muslims of India hate ISI. At the same time, they hate the Sangh Parivar forces also. So there needs to be distinction over here, sir, regarding this Naxal problem. Sir, our opinion is it is a socio-economic problem. It has to be dealt with talks only. And from May end, right up to now, there is a ceasefire in Andhra Pradesh. Not a single death has taken place. This in itself shows. Otherwise, in every year, every month, 30 to 40 deaths used to occur. 200 deaths we have stopped, sir. In 9 years of Telugu Desam rule, 3,000 people were killed on the both sides. My request to you, sir, is that talks should continue. The central government should give as much support as they can to our state government so that these talks are fruitful. We have to debate, we have to talk to them. And at this point, sir, Faiz Ahmad Faiz had said a very important share, sir. इतने नादान तो ना थे जहां से गुजरने वाले, ना सहो पन गुजरो राह गुजर को देखो. यहां पर यह चीज को देखना है कि क्या गलती हो रहा है. सिर्फ गोली का जवाब गोली से इनको मार देंगे.